Hello everyone, I'm Michael Stapleton, President and CEO of UR Medicine Thompson Health. As we wrap up 2022 and welcome the new year, I wanted to reach out to everyone in our community to provide an update on the health system. We'll start with where we've been for the past few years. No doubt our country and the world has made great strides over the past 12 months with regards to increasing COVID vaccination rates and reducing hospitalizations. All of us at Thompson welcome this encouraging news. Numbers may be down, but we are far from zero. With seasonal flu and RSV cases on the rise, as well as our inability to discharge patients due to a critical shortage of long-term care beds, our already strained workforce is being stretched even further as they are at other hospitals. Despite this, our Ewing Continuing Care Center was able to keep its long-term care beds open during these challenging times while maintaining their 5-star rating. True to our long-standing mission, Thompson's dedicated healthcare providers and support staff will always care for those in our community. Our associates are simply amazing, and it's a pleasure and a privilege to work side by side with all of them. As a result of more patients needing to be treated, along with an increased severity in their illnesses, wait times in our emergency department and at our urgent care centers have and will dramatically increase during peak times. We ask for your patience and kindness towards our associates who are working so hard to care for everyone. Consult with your primary care provider to help direct you to the appropriate level of care for your illness. Maybe urgent care is the best option, maybe it's the emergency department, or maybe a telehealth visit is all you need at this point. This tremendous increase in healthcare usage over the past several years is not limited to just the ED and urgent care. Diagnostic imaging, laboratory services, physical therapy, and other departments have all seen significant utilization increases. While this growth normally would be considered a good thing, which it is, the hospital continues to have a very difficult year financially. This is mostly due to the lack of available long-term care beds to discharge to, as I mentioned earlier, as well as a dramatic increase in expenses due to our continued staffing issues. Thankfully, Thompson's fiscally conservative financial practices have protected us in these uncertain times. With winter upon us, it's hard to believe that just a few months ago we all gathered outside on a beautiful, warm evening at Lincoln Hill Farms for our annual fundraising gala. Associates, friends, and supporters of Thompson enjoyed an evening of good food and great socialization. It was a tremendous success thanks in most part to our generous sponsors and donors. We raised over $190,000 in support of our healthcare education fund, which helps financially support entry-level Thompson associates who wish to transition into more advanced roles within the health system. The gala donations added the $60,000 raised at our Thompson Health Golf Classic in June. As we head into 2023, Thompson Health is looking forward to some exciting growth opportunities. New services, new locations, and new providers accepting patients will help us continue to expand to meet the needs of our community. We are moving our outpatient rehab services from the hospital into a larger facility at our South Main Street location in Canandaigua. They are moving in right next to Thompson's Urgent Care Center and will continue to offer their stellar services to best serve our rehab patients. Thompson's Farmington Family Medicine and our Farmington OB/GYN practices will both be relocating to a brand new building on Route 332. These combined provider teams will be called the Farmington Medical Group and will allow for expansion to accommodate the demands of this rapidly growing area. We are also conducting strategic planning for the expansion of our senior communities. Thompson is continuously making improvements to our infrastructure. While maybe not as flashy as a new patient care location, projects such as our new hospital generator facility are nonetheless critical to ensure the safety of our patients and our associates. We have a few other projects on the horizon. Be sure to follow us on social media for updates. And if you have been following us on social media, you may have seen that, thanks to your votes, Thompson has once again taken home the Best of the Finger Lakes Award in many categories. We won Best Hospital, Best Urgent Care, Nursing Home, Nurse, Physical Therapist, Doctor, and more. Thank you for your confidence and support of our mission. As we say goodbye to 2022, I reflect on Thompson's impact on our community over the past 118 years, the countless patients we've seen, surgeries we performed, and babies we delivered. At the center of every patient and resident interaction are our associates. I mentioned before just how amazing the people are who work at Thompson. They live our CARES values every day and are the heart and soul of who we are. If caring is your calling, we would love to have you join us. We're always looking to hire compassionate people who are not just seeking a job, but a career alongside a dedicated family of friends and colleagues. On behalf of our board of directors and our executive leadership team, I wish you and your families a safe and healthy new year.